everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm launching my latest wax seal products. So there's 3 new wax bead mixes. You've got your new Christmas wax seals. So these ones you've got, I'll just show you actually all of them on here. So this is the spice mix, and the wax seals you have Merry Christmas, Do Not Open Till the 25th, and North Pole Postal Service. So you can see how they all look there. They've all been stamped using the different seals there. This one here is your Christmas mix. So you've got your reds, white and green. And then this one is my favourite, matches my nails as well. This is the candy mix. Very, very nice. You'll see on some of them I've just used my metallic marker just to bring out some of the detail there. But I'm going to show you a fun technique today using different waxes to create layered effects on your seal. And then I've also launched it with these new products. So the All Occasions stamp set and the All Occasions sticker set, these were meant to have been launched with the original Happy Mail kit that I launched. So if you're just seeing this video and you haven't seen that, you'll be able to find all of those products on the CraftStash website. So you'll see my little wax seal kit. It has the oven, the spoon, you've got your candle in there, you've got your Happy Mail wax seal as well. And then you've also got an occasion set like this, which has happy birthday, thank you, a big thanks, and you did it. And I'll show you some of those in a moment. These are really nice. You get a pack of 5 sheets, I believe it is. Let me just take this one out for you. So you've got this one here, which is just all your florals. You've got a sports theme one. So these are all stickers in the shape of stamps, all different sizes. You have Valentine's or love. There's ones for wedding there. It says wedding postage, which I really like. You've got your Easter and spring theme. And then this one here is your like holiday. I have had to use 2 of these here. They're actually these stamps. So you can see the kind of effect that you can create there. And I'll show you some more samples in a moment. So you get all of those. You get your All Occasions stamp here. So this will look like the stamps have been franked. So you can stamp these ones, look really good over the top. And then you've got your airmail, where you might want to write their name, and all these tiny ones here. And you've got February the 14th, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Easter Sunday, Happy Easter, and then these kind of detail ones here as well. And then these 2 here, you've got your Happy Mail washi strips. So you've got all your different ones here. Be My Valentine, Santa's Airmail, Happy Easter. You've got your airmail one there, then the different detailed strips there. And again, let me just show you how they will look. So there's the airmail and then the red, white and blue pattern. You can see on this one here, here's the Santa's airmail one with the stamps and then all the other stamps over the top. The idea of this is I love decorating my envelopes so that they look like they've gone through the postal service, even if I'm hand delivering them. So most of these will be hand delivered. However, things like this, if it's a bit more padded, I'd pop that in a padded envelope anyway. And then if you've got your wax seal on the back, it just protects all of that as well. But for me, it's all these little details I really enjoy doing, and I know many of you do as well. In the Christmas stamp set here, this is just all filled with Christmas ones. So you've got, you know, loads to cover, because I like to put more than one stamp on. Sometimes I put 2, 3, maybe even 4 on the front there. So you've got quite a lot on here. See all the designs there. This one here, some nice winter ones as well. If you've got someone who's got a birthday in January and February, you can add some of these. That one there, this one, and then back to the start again. And then to coordinate with that is the Christmas A6 stamp set. So you've got sleigh mail, North Pole Post Office, Santa mail, special delivery, delivered by Rudolph, Santa Claus the 25th, North Pole airmail. I love that one. Santa's airmail, and then this one here as well. So you've got a space to write the message, or you can turn that into a little gift tag as well, which I've done. And that one, Merry Christmas, and you've got the little truck there as well. And again, these details and that one. It's a lovely little set. Really, really do love this one. And again, you'll see lots of samples up on the website using this, and with some of the samples that I've got here. So I've just been playing around. These envelopes I will use. So obviously it's not Easter for us right now, but I know I'm going to make a 5x7 Easter card, so I'll be able to reuse these envelopes. But you can see there, just layering up the stickers and then pop in the little stamp over the top there, the airmail, just these little details and your space there to write who it's for. It's a Mother's Day one here. This one with the football stamp, and that's the washi along the bottom there. You got this one here with the Valentine's and the Valentine's washi, and this one here, this Christmas one. That's just a few there. And then these ones I've used the wax seals as well, so I've just popped the wax seal over the top with the happy birthday there. Of course you can add it on the back as well. This one here, Merry Christmas. I've got another Easter one here. These are 6x6. That's got the Easter Sunday one, and then that one there that I showed you with the kind of adventure camping themed ones there. These are some of the samples that I made with the first release. So this is the Happy Mail stamp there. You've got the happy birthday and just different ways to decorate your envelopes. This one here with the Happy Mail. I love this one, adding the glitter. But I've got tutorials already up showing you how to create all of these and how to turn them into little tags there. And then you can see the big thanks on that one. So just a little recap there and just some more ideas. What I'm going to do now is get my stove all set up, get the candle lit, get the spoon nice and hot, and we're going to create a layered wax seal and just show you just different ways to use your wax beads. Okay, so the wax is nice and hot, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of wax just in the star and just spread that out. And you just want to carefully scrape away, take out any of the other colour, just making sure. It might pop out because obviously it wants to release from there. Okay, I think I've done it. It does want to come out. I could take that star out now, but the idea is that you've just taken away all the excess. Just put that one on there for a minute. So you're just left with the star. Then we're going to melt. So I'm going to use my other spoon, pop that one on. And I'm going to use white now. I usually use about 6 beads, especially if you're just starting. If you're doing maybe batch making with a lot and you're using white, then you'll probably find you just use 5, but you never pour all of the wax out initially, so there will always be some left in there, which is like the 6th bead. So 5 is what usually you would need for a stamp. So whilst that's melting, keep that one in there. I can leave that in the spoon and remelt it when I need it. I want to decorate my envelope here, so just move all that out of the way. So we're going to use the Christmas stamps. Now I'm not going to show the card that's going in here because I am going to write the name on the front, and then that person may watch this and be like, oh, is that one for me? So let's make sure my envelope's the right way up. Have that one, and then the holly. I like those two together. So I might use a bigger one actually as well. Let's do, like I said, I do like to have like odd ones. No, I won't do the mistletoe. Let's do this candy cane one actually. There we go. I like that. And then we're going to add some of these stamps here. So I'm going to use this one here, Santa Claus 25th of December, North Pole Airmail. I like to put them over the stamps, because that's how it would look. There we go. And then we'll have another one. Let's see, we could do this one here. So that one's got some detail. And then I'm going to use this one here. I feel I want to do delivered by Rudolph as well. I just love going over the top with them. Let's do this one as well. Let's do it up there. There we go. And then I'm also going to use this one. This is from the All Occasions stamp set. And rather than use this one here, I'm going to use this one as like my guide to write the name. So try and get this all lined up. Perfect. And I can write the name above there. So I'm not writing the full address because I'll pop this in another envelope. This one will actually be going, is this one going overseas? I think so. Okay, so let's pop the card inside. Okay, so no peeking there. Now, let's hope this works. So we've got this one already. The white is all melted now, so I'm going to pour this on the back. Only got one go at this because I'm not using my cooling plate. And then make sure this is the right way up. And a little tip, if you have any air bubbles, use your heat tool. Just add a little heat and it will pop any bubbles that you have. So I'm just going to leave that there to completely cool before I pull that away. I'm nervous. Okay, so now for the reveal. So you'll know when it's ready because it will loosen, which it has. Yes, it's worked. How cool does that look? I must have had another colour in my spoon, so there's a little bit of another colour wax there, but that's okay. And also on the M. But overall, for my first attempt, I think that looks really, really nice. I guess thinking about it now, as I've used a white envelope, probably would have been better to have used, you know, the white for the star and then the red for the wax seal, but you get the idea. And then on the front, you'll have all that wonderful detail. So all of this product is available now on the CraftStash website, and you'll find links to all of that product in the description box below. And remember, VIPs, you get your extra 10% on top. And if you're not a VIP, you can also find out more about that below. Take care, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.